Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. RCA Garage. Got Frankie here. We're gonna knock out yet another exhaust install. So this one's gonna be a Borla exhaust. Hopefully we'll unleash this beast of a WRX here. And let's see how it is. Pretty excited on this one. This thing is really quiet stock. So hopefully it's an animal after this. Definitely needs just a little bit more on the exhaust note, and it'll be perfect. Also gonna install a lip for him here as well. So he got that recently. We're gonna install that. Get going on the exhaust. Let's go check that out real quick. So you get the little spring clamps. You got two of those.
We're gonna need a extension for up here.
Extension for that one. Yeah, so that one's a little tighter in there.
Yeah, it's kind of tight. You could probably get it with just a wrench if it's not rusty. But if I get this one up in there.
That's it for the mid pipe there. Then we're gonna drop this all together.
There's a couple bolts here.
There's
and there.
two bolts there,
The
two bolts in the muffler here.
You need a shut.
So Frankie's getting the exhaust thrown up. So leave everything loose when you're installing, just so you can get everything up first and into position. You can go ahead and tighten everything down. Everything's loose. So we can get the mufflers on, get those mounted in, and be good to go. So the lip is on. So we ended up doing rivets. We started out with the self-tappers, and then we riveted these in. Just use the self-tappers to kind of give us a guideline. This is eBay lip, so there is a little bit of a gap on the sides. But all in all, it looks pretty killer. Looks a lot better than stock. So we ran the factory connectors, one on the side, so this is going to go nowhere. Self-tappers, they have a tendency to kind of wander out, so this is going to help with keeping everything secured. That sounds good. Another happy customer. He's gonna rip it for us. So that's gonna finish it up today for RCA Garage. I'll give Frankie a shout out. Frankie,
Thank you.
thank you for your help. We got it. Car is done. Customer is super happy. He did like a little small pull for us, but the car sounded really good. I mean, the lot's not exactly the greatest. We do have like a couple culverts and everything, so I'm sure you're just trying to be careful. It is dark outside. But all in all, awesome day. Super excited for whatever we have next. Had a full shop. We finally finished up Mac's car. All the fuel lines, brake lines, everything. CTSV, that's gonna be done here pretty soon. We're getting the coilovers back from Silvers. And we got a few other appointments scheduled. So trying to get a couple more videos put out for you guys, see what goes on in the shop. So if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Peace.